Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I will be showing you how to fix login or password is invalid error on Discord. So when you try to log in to your Discord account and you can't remember the password, there are two ways to do it. So the first one is to go to your settings and then search for Google, or you can just find it there, and then select manage your Google account, and in here select security and just scroll all the way down until you find the password manager. Okay, there you go, and then look for Discord, and you will now see here your password. So you just have to copy it and paste it into the Discord app, and then you're good to go. Okay, so the second ways that you can try is to enter your email or phone number you used to create your Discord account, and then tap forget your password, and then they will send you a code. If you are using your phone number or if you're using your email, they will send you a code in your email, and then you just have to enter it here, and then you will be directed to their website, and then you will be needing to enter your new password, and then just enter your new password and you're good to go. You just have to go back again to your Discord and enter the new password, and you can now use your Discord app. And that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.